पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंग विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा जय गाथा जन गण मंगल गायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे
भारत माता की जय। हिंदुस्तान जिंदाबाद। हिंदुस्तान जिंदाबाद। भारत माता की जय।
मैं सभी फैकल्टी और बच्चों से रिक्वेस्ट करता हूँ कि वो जाकर के
चरंदा हॉल में पहुंचे ऑल स्टाफ चरंदा हॉल में।
सबसे पहले तो स्वतंत्रता दिवस की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं सभी को। आओ लुटाएं प्यार की 15 अगस्त है, आओ लुटाएं प्यार की 15 अगस्त है, मौसम है खुशगवार की 15 अगस्त है।
इस दिन के लिए खाई थी बापू ने गोलियां, इस दिन के लिए खाई थी बापू ने गोलियां, फहराए तिरंगा कि आज भारत स्वतंत्र है। स्वतंत्रता दिवस की इस पावन मेला में हम
दीपू पांडे,
सुकृति जोशी आप सभी का हार्दिक स्वागत करते हैं।
मैं निवेदन करता हूं हमारे प्रेरणा स्रोत और इस संस्था के प्राणवायु माननीय संचालक महोदय सुराना सर से कि वो हमसे मुखातिब होकर इस शुभ अवसर पर हमें आशीर्वचनों से अनुग्रहित करें। सुराना सर।
इस नवप्रभात पर भगवान भास्कर की प्रथम लालिमा के साथ मैं आप सबका हार्दिक अभिनंदन करता हूँ। आप सबके प्रफुल्लित मुखारबिन और आप सब लोग जो यहाँ पे पधारे हैं आज इस समारोह का आप लोगों ने आकर के शान बढ़ाई है, मैं उस सबके लिए आपका एक बार फिर आभार प्रदर्शन करता हूँ। आप लोग इस स्वतंत्रता दिवस के मैं आपके लिए मंगल कामना करता हूँ। स्वतंत्रता दिवस पे आप जो आगे बढ़ें और इतने आगे बढ़ें कि इस सूर्य के प्रकाश की तरह जो आज सुबह उदित हुआ है उस प्रकाश की तरह अपना नाम, अपने परिवारजनों का नाम, अपने माता पिता का नाम, अपने गुरुजनों का और कॉलेज का नाम रोशन करें, ये मेरी अभिलाषा है।
अपनी ज़मीन, अपना आकाश पैदा कर, अपना एक नया इतिहास पैदा कर। मांगने पर जिंदगी कहाँ मिलती है मेरे दोस्त, अपने हर कदम पर एक नया इतिहास पैदा कर। वैसे सच ही है, एक छोटा सा बीज ही तो समुद्री विराट वृक्ष का रूप धारण करता है। इन्हीं विचारों को आगे बढ़ाने के लिए I would like to call upon the stage Miss Aditi.
Long years ago, we made a tryst with destiny. And now, the time comes when we will measure our. When the world sleeps, India will awake to life and freedom. A moment comes, which comes, but rarely in history, when we step out from our old to the new, when an age ends and when the soul of a nation longs to press finds utterance. We end today a period of ill fortune and India discovers herself again. A very good morning to one and all present here. This is Aditi Khattar to deliver a speech on the eve of Independence Day. Independence Day is a very pious festival of our country, a festival in which many lives were sacrificed. Mothers lost their child. It was the sacrifice of relationships, sacrifice of personal life. It was a sacrifice for the motherland. India's Independence Day is celebrated on 15th August to commemorate its independence from British rule and its birth as a sovereign nation. The day is a national holiday in India. All over the country, flag hosting ceremonies are conducted by the local administration in attendance. The main event takes place in New Delhi, where the Prime Minister hosts the national flag at the Red Fort and delivers a nationally televised speech from its ramparts. In his speech, he highlights the achievements of its government during the past year and raises the important issues and gives a call for further development. The Prime Minister also pays tribute to the leaders of freedom struggle. As a girl, I have conferred with so many rights that probably with many girls around the globe are still striving for. When I read about what is happening to women in even the most developed countries, I feel that we have been and will continue to occupy the pride of place in our nation. Implementation is still under the scanner, as a lot of women are either not aware or don't have the courage to fight for their rights. Despite this, I feel that we are on the progress path and women are emerging winner in every field. They can no longer be taken for granted, and this is one attribute of our country and our people that I really do cherish. By wishing you people a very happy Independence Day again, I would like to end my speech. Jai Hind.
भारत के जन जन मन का अभिमान बनकर आए हैं, कल और आज की संस्कृति का अभियान बनकर।
Greetings to respected director sir, principal sir, and dean sir, and a very beautiful morning to my dear all colleagues. In the first place, let me acquaint myself. My name is Dr. Gaurav Jain, Associate Professor in the Department of IT. Friends, today we are celebrating Independence Day. India became free on 15th August 1947. This day reminds us of the glorious past and the dark period of the Britishers when we were not free. This day also reminds us of those patriots who fought, died and suffered for the safety of our motherland. So many freedom fighters sacrificed their lives for our country. They forced British rulers to quit India forever, for our country, because our country is great in peace, great in war, great in humanity. I am proud of it. I will be fortunate if I sacrifice my life for the safety of our country, because it stands for peace and freedom. I pray to God that no enemy might attack of the border of this country, no citizen of this country be a victim of grief and pain. So friends, we should live and let live others as well. Forgive and forget should be our motto in life. Because actually, let me tell you one incident. One day, one child was crying when he had no shoes. One day, one child was crying when he had no shoes. Suddenly, he stopped crying when he saw a man without legs. When he saw a man without legs, So friends, this life is full of blessings, but we do not understand the importance of this life. So we should not stop until we reach our goal. Because Mahatma Gandhi used to say, it is not important to go to heaven. It is not important to go to heaven after leaving the world. It is important to create heaven here before going to heaven, before leaving the world. It is important. So friends, actually on this Independence Day, I would like to tell you that we should do something. We should do something for our country, because this country is great in peace, great in war, and I'm proud of it that I'm the Indian person of this country. Thanks for listening to me attentively. Thanks for giving me ears. And once again, I'm saying that sincere greetings and happy Independence Day. A very warm greetings for Independence Day. Have fun, have a ball, and chill out.